Welcome to another episode of Low Tech Garage, and on this episode, it is the long-awaited XJS Reveal for all of you. But before we get started on that, I just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for the huge accomplishment for the channel, and that is surpassing 5,000 subscribers. I know compared to some channels, that's really not much, but for me, just continuing to put the effort in for everyone to come together and learn about the projects that I'm working on, learn how to maintain some of these classic Jags, these classic muscle cars, and really come along the journey with me and what it takes to keep these things on the road and the trials and tribulations that we sometimes go through, and sometimes the extended delays. Yeah, I'm looking at that one back there, but don't worry, that's coming soon. With that, the XJS is here. And I thought, you know what, let's take it out. It's a beautiful night tonight. We'll go for a little bit of a drive, and then we can give it a full walk around so you can see how beautiful this 96 XJS Celebration Edition turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed going on that ride with me. It was a beautiful night out and a perfect evening to get some glamour shots of the car. And I hope you enjoyed not hearing my voice for a little bit and just enjoying the scenery and the beautiful XJS. But with that, I thought I'd point out too, I know I haven't gone into too much detail about what we did for the paint. Obviously, I'm sure you can see how amazing it is. But there's gonna be a follow-on video to that coming very, very soon. That kind of talks you guys through, where we went locally, the process that worked really well for us, and, how it yielded such a good outcome as well. With that, you can see the car is tucked away nicely in storage, but I would like to mention some really important information as well. And that is that we are actually going to be parting ways with the XJS. It has been an awesome journey over the last 2 years. Some of you may have seen that I teased on some of our shorts that there might be a new member of the garage coming here very soon. And as the XJS has really reached completion, it's now time to pass it on for someone else to enjoy. So for those that are familiar with cars and bids, this is going up there. It's going to be selling at no reserve. So it's going to the highest bidder. So we really encourage anyone that may have followed the journey on getting this car to where it is today to check the auction out, spread the word with your friends, and if you're interested in buying it, definitely go ahead and bid. And with that information, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this episode, and thank you all for coming along with this extended journey to bring this beautiful XJS back to how it left the showroom in 1996, and hopefully the new owner here soon can enjoy it for many years to come. Till the next episode, have a great night.